Step 1. Use the Wipes Wet number 1 to clean the screen. Step 2. Use the Wipes Dry number 2 to dry the screen. Step 3. Use the dust absorber to absorb any dust on the screen. Step 4. Peel off the Tab 1 film. Step 5. Place the screen protector on the screen. Align it properly. If you can't align the screen protector properly, pull up the screen protector and reposition it well. Step 6. Use the squeegee to squeeze the screen protector. Step 7. Peel off the sticker. Place the black foam on the desk. Move the phone to the black foam. Step 8. Pull up the Tab 2. Push the squeegee from dotted line to the top of the phone. Step 9. Pull up the Tab 3. Push the squeegee from dotted line to the bottom of the phone. Step 10. Use the squeegee to squeeze out the bubbles on the screen protector. Step 11. Peel off the Tab 4 film. Step 12. Use your thumb to press down the screen protector to the phone screen edge smoothly. Make sure the screen protector adheres well. Step 13. Use the microfiber cloth to clean any dust on the screen protector surface. Installation is done.